Hey everyone, wondering why Canva is so amazing? So let me tell you. First of all, Canva is super easy to use. You don't need to be a computer expert to create awesome stuffs. It is like having an art teacher right on your screen guiding you every step of the way. So secondly, Canva has tons of cool stuffs to choose from, whether you need pictures, colors or fancy fonts. Canva's got it all. It's like having your own magical art box that's never empty. Plus, Canva is great for teamwork. You and your friends can work on the same project at the same time. Even if you're miss apart, it's like having a virtual art studio where everyone can join in on the fun. And the last but not the least, Canva helps you to make things look really professional. Whether it's a school project or a birthday card, Canva makes your creation stand out and impress everyone who sees them. So, there you have it. Canva is awesome because it's easy. It's full of cool stuffs. It's great for teamwork and it makes you look like a pro. So, let me tell you how. So, first of all, you have to open your Canva and here you can see various multiple designs. For example, documents, whiteboard, video, presentation, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnails, logo, posters, etc. etc. You can make anything by using Canva. For example, I have to make posters, so I'll search for poster templates. So now you can see as I have clicked on posters, here are multiple of templates. You can choose whatever you want to. Now moving forward, Canva can also make school life easier. Don't you know? So let me break it down for you. So first of all, Canva help with school projects. Those big presentation or posters you have to make, Canva makes them a breeze with ready to use templates and fun design tools. You can create awesome looking projects without any stress. On you, by clicking posters, you can select various types of templates from here and it will look awesome. So, Canva boosts your creativity. It's like having a playground for your imaginations. You can mix and match colors, add cool pictures, and even play with funky fonts. So, it's perfect place to be. Canva is great for teamwork also. Remember those group projects where everyone ideas need to be come together. Canva lets you and your friends work on the same project. And here's the best part. Canva helps you stand out when your projects look polished and professional. So whatever you are working on a class assignment or just want to make it simple, cool or fun, Canva has got your back. So it's easy to create and helps you to shine bright in school. Canva offers a various of templates. So Canva is used for creating wide range of visual contents. Let me show you. So, with Canva, you don't need to be a design expert to create visually appealing sites. So, it offers a wide range of templates. You can make presentation for school projects, for your business pitches, or for conferences also. Boring posters. Now you don't need to worry. You can make your posters also from Canva. So you can create your eye-catching posters for events, announcements, or for advertising also. Or if you want to create a beautiful posters for your school projects, you can do that also. Now, next, social media graphics. We can also design our post for platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc. etc. So it offers a various multiple of templates of different things. Whether it's social media graphics, posters, presentation, etc. So you can make your flyers and brochures designs also for your promotion material. Or if you have any business, you can make your logo in Canva. It's super easy to use. So here's the last but not least. Many students get confused to how to design their resumes. I got you. Canva has an amazing templates for your resumes so you can craft visually appealing resumes to stand out to potential employers. You can easily design your resume by using Canva. So here we come to the end. In upcoming videos, I'll be giving you a tutorial on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. See you in next one.